Meta has quietly applied rate limits to its smart glasses conversation focus feature. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. It's reported that the company's help page for the Meta One subscription tiers contains information about those limits. In it, Meta insisted that you don't have to pay for a subscription to keep using your AI smart glasses, which is true, but there are certain features that are only free for a set amount of time every month. For example, conversation focus is only accessible at no cost for 3 hours per month. If you want to use it for longer than that, you'll have to pay for a $20 a month Meta One premium plan. Even then, you'll be limited to 15 hours of use, and unused hours can be rolled over to the next billing cycle. When the company rolled out the feature in December 2025, it said conversation focus is meant to help you hear the voices of people you're speaking with. Even if you aren't hard of hearing, it could be useful in crowded and noisy environments. Back then, the company said you'll hear the amplified voice sound slightly brighter, which will help you distinguish the conversation from ambient background noise. It's not quite clear why Meta's rate limited this specific feature. It runs on device and doesn't use Meta servers. It doesn't even need the internet to work. You don't have to use it if you don't want to or need to, but you can switch on conversation focus by vocally telling Meta AI to start it. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.